Hello. So today I wanted to see if I could do a makeup look for um, Maleficent. I decided to record it just in case it turned out good, and I did like how the makeup look turned out, so that is why I am uploading it. A lot of the clips you can't really see me because I wasn't really doing a makeup tutorial. I was just kind of filming what I was doing. But I'm going to explain what I did the best that I can. So I put on a primer first. It was the e.l.f. primer, putty primer. And then I just put on my foundation. I believe it was just a BB cream from Tarte, just as I normally would for any makeup, just like your day-to-day makeup. Then I just put on concealer. I think this was a Maybelline concealer, just their normal one. But again, just how you normally would for any makeup look. And then I just powdered my face. This one is again from Maybelline, I believe. And then I did my eyebrows. I am absolutely terrible at eyebrows, so they took me a very long time and still didn't turn out that well. So just kind of ignore those, I guess. But I did my best. And that's why I got very close to the mirror and almost out of frame doing them. Then after I used the pencil on them, I used a gel on them. And then I started doing my eyeshadow. I used the Jane Charles Morphe palette for my eyeshadow. I first took a black eyeshadow in my crease and blended it out. Again, like I said, I was very bad about keeping myself in frame while I was doing this makeup look, because I didn't know if I was going to be uploading it or not, so I wasn't really focusing on it. So that's why I'm out of frame for the majority of the last half of this. But I just basically took the black eyeshadow from the palette and put it in my crease. And then I took the purple matte shadow and put it on my lid. And then I also put the black shadow under my eye, halfway from the outside of my eye to halfway under my eye, and then the purple one from the inside of my eye meeting the black under my eye. I hope that made sense. And then just blended those under my eye as well. And I think now I am putting on eyeliner, which again I'm not in frame for, but I just put a black wing eyeliner on, like a dramatic wing. Then I applied mascara. I think this is just a drugstore Rimmel mascara. It's not anything fancy. But at least I stayed in frame for this part. so you can actually see it and kind of see my eyeshadow. Also, the lighting was so bad in my room for this because it's like nighttime when I film this. So I apologize for that as well. And then I did the contouring, which is also vital for this makeup look because Maleficent has these very distinct cheekbones. So I just added a lot of contour and blended it out very well. So I was blending for a very long time. It was me noticing how crazy I looked before I got it blended out. And then I added some like highlighters to all the high points on my face to offset the contour. And then my camera also started to die, so then I just got a clip of me blending my nose, and that was the last clip before my camera died, before I got this final look to show you what it ended up looking like. Again, I'm so sorry this was so bad, but if you want me to do a full like sit down tutorial, I can do that. I think I might even add some like skin putty to my cheeks to make the cheeks look even more defined, but just let me know, and thanks for watching.